Hello everyone. In the previous videos we have discussed about the introduction of narration. Okay. So today we will start. Today we will proceed narration. You have been told that narration is also known as a statement. A statement, and this is also known as a speech. And this is divided into two parts. Direct narration or a speech, indirect narration or a speech. Okay, and we have already told you that direct speech is also divided into reporting speech, and this is a reported speech, okay. Till here we have discussed in the previous videos, but today I will tell you the general rules how we can convert direct narration into indirect. Okay, so your today's topic is rules, general rules for converting direct into indirect. Okay, so your today's topic is general rules for converting direct into indirect, how we can convert direct into indirect. Okay, so today we will learn there are few rules. There are few rules for converting direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, let's know. First rule is changing in reporting word. When we are learning about first rule for converting direct into indirect, at that time we should know few rules also. Suppose I have already told you that reporting speech is divided into three parts: subject of reporting speech, verb of reporting speech, object of reporting speech. Okay, so reporting speech divided into three parts. First is subject of reporting speech, second is verb of reporting speech. For example, Ram says to me, you are a good boy. Okay, this is your reporting speech, and your reporting speech is divided into three parts. First is subject of reporting speech, second is verb of reporting speech, and third is object of reporting speech. But when we are converting direct speech into indirect speech, at that time the first rule is that changing in reporting verb, means we should not change the subject of reporting speech, means subject of reporting speech is written as it is. Next, changing in verb, This is a do rule, but there should not be any changing in the object of reporting speech. The object of reporting speech is always written as it is. Okay, so this is first rule. I have proved that your reporting speech is divided into three parts, and there should not be any changing in the subject of reporting speech. Subject of reporting speech is written as it is, and only should be changing in the verb of reporting speech, and there should not be changing in reporting object. Okay, but how we can change reporting speech we will describe in the next video, but today we will describe second rule. The second rule is removing conjunction, removing comma, removing comma after or removing comma after reporting speech, and in the place of comma we should write conjunction. In second rule we can say insert using conjunction, using conjunctions. Okay, first rule changing the reporting verb, second rule using conjunction in the place of comma. Okay, and the third rule changing in person, changing in person. Okay, and the fourth rule is changing in tense, changing in tense of reported speech. Okay, this is changing in person of reported speech, and this is changing in person of reported speech. And the fifth rule is that changing in nearest word, changing in nearest word. Okay, so guys, your today's homework is learn the general rules for converting direct into indirect. Okay, goodbye, take care.